Okay, so this is a really quick video on STEM and what you need to know if you're not a science teacher. The first thing you need to do is create a STEM folder with subfolders listed technology, performance-based assessment, interdisciplinary unit, and soft skills. We're actually not doing interdisciplinary this year, so you might not even need that. Then, after you've created your folder throughout the year, you're going to be creating 4 lessons using technology. So basically, the lesson has to integrate technology in a way that the student is creating something with the technology. So, for example, you can use generators for them to create a bar graph or a pie chart or a comic strip, or have them research and do a PowerPoint or create a timeline. So, once they've created this lesson with technology, you're going to take a student sample of it and then the lesson plan that you wrote down that they were going to do it in, and you're going to put that in that folder listed technology, and you're just going to leave it there. Okay, and so you're going to do 4 of those. Then you're going to do 4 performance-based assessments as well. So this is basically not a paper pencil test, it's a performance test. So the child is having to perform to show that they can apply a skill. So writing an essay, journal, speech, or poem, making and doing projects, conducting research, putting it into a PowerPoint, doing a reader's theater, reciting speech or poem in the tone that the author intended, constructing a graph. These are all performance-based assessments. So basically they're going to do this. You're going to take a student sample, attach it to the lesson plan, and then you're going to stick it in the folder and leave it there. So you have to do at least 4 of those. Okay, then we have the interdisciplinary unit. Usually this is just a thematic unit that across the board every teacher is teaching the same theme or topic, and it just has to, it's covering standards that we're doing. So like I would have them write an essay, Cindy would have them doing some sort of math with it, Avida would have them doing some sort of, I don't know, experiments, and then I don't know, they'd do something else with it in history. But we don't have to do that this year, so you don't have to worry about it. Soft skills are basically skills that these students are going to need when they go into the workforce. So usually we teach them 3, but this year we only have to teach them 2. So some examples of soft skills are communication, enthusiasm and attitude, teamwork, networking, problem solving, critical thinking, professionalism. So basically you're going to be choosing 2 of these, and then you're going to be teaching it throughout the year. And so for example, let's say I was working on collaboration. I can assign group work, and I can tell them that they need to communicate on Teams, and then I can take screenshots of that, of them communicating on Teams, and I can put it into my soft skills whatever folder to show that they were working on soft skills like that. Okay, and then you basically have to gauge, you make like a little soft skill rubric, and then you gauge like how well they're communicating or how well they're collaborating throughout the year, and the goal is to make it so that they improve throughout the year. So then you basically attach the rubric and the screenshots of whatever it is, and then the lesson plans where you say we're going to do it, and you put it in the folder, and that's pretty much it. That's STEM in a nutshell. So hopefully you understand a little bit better, and don't worry, it's going to be easy.